Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fitness and my name is Siddhi. Happy Diwali to all of you and may this year brings lots of opportunities which you utilize and make prosperity out of. So this is so not my regular sort of video and these are basically ear piercing units which are one-time use and disposable. I got it over from Shein and I'm super excited and super nervous, of course. So I will be doing it on camera now. I'm not too sure whether it will turn out to be a successful thing or no, but let us give it a shot. I will go with my left ear first and then my right, because the left ear is more uh more, I wouldn't say that it is more sensitive, but yes, let's target the weaker ear first so that the fear just goes and you calm yourself down. I am that sort of a person who eats up all the food that I don't like first and then enjoy the yummy ones for the last. Anyways, too much of blabbering. I'm super nervous now. So yeah, what I have already done is, oh, actually, let me just clip it off. Now, what I have already done is, this is my original piercing, and this is the one that I will, I would want the piercing to be. So I've already marked it with a pen, and let's just open this and see. This claims to be sterile, and this is how it looks. Um, this is where the actual earring is, if you can see. Okay, and this is the back part. Okay, now you can see. Now what you have to do is you have to remove the top cover like so. This top cover is removed, and let's just go for it. Too much of blabbering, I will not waste much time. Now I could hear the complete click. Ooh, and it slipped off. This was just perfect. Ta-da! What I will do is I'll put the other earring in the in my actual the piercing that was already there since childhood, so that you see how it is going to look to do a piercing finally in my ear. Ear is a little warm right now, but then that happens, I think. Yeah, that's pretty normal. Okay, so this experience, all in all, was a great one. Really well. All right, this is how it is going to look. There's no bleeding as such, and I like the way they are looking in on onto my ears. It was very easy. It is hardly any like right now I can feel कि अरे कुछ तो किया है, but I think this is more like after we do our eyebrows, that sort of a feeling that oh, something is there, eyebrows कुछ तो है वाला thing. I think it's only that is the only pain. Baki everything is just okay, like no issues beyond that. So a big thumbs up to this product. I will put the product in the link. I'll put the link in the description. I'm getting a little distracted by that, that feeling, the new feel of it. And yeah, hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do it. And if you are going to try it, then please message me, comment down, whatever. Okay, it was very easy, it was very painless, and yeah, it's very easy to do basically on your own, for that matter. Chalo, so every Tuesday new videos are going to get uploaded, and see you next Tuesday. Bye guys.